In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions page to my Shopify website. Before we get started, make sure you're logged in to your Shopify admin with the right permissions for your store. Adding a clear terms and conditions page, also called terms of service, helps set expectations with customers, outlines acceptable use, and can protect your business. Shopify makes this easy with a built-in template you can customize. From your Shopify admin, head to the Settings area. You'll find this at the bottom left of your dashboard. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Policies or Legal. This is where Shopify keeps all of your store's policy pages in one place, including your refund policy, privacy policy, and the terms we're creating now. Open the Terms of Service section. You'll see a large text editor where your terms will live. If you don't already have your own legal text prepared, click Insert Template. Shopify will automatically generate a boilerplate terms of service for you. This template covers common points like order acceptance, prohibited activities, limitations of liability, and governing law. It's a great starting point, but it's important to make it your own. Take a few minutes to personalize the content. Replace any placeholders with your business details, update references to your products or services, and adjust wording to reflect how you operate, especially around shipping timelines, cancellations, warranties, and how disputes are handled. Keep the language clear and readable. If you sell digital goods, subscriptions, or custom items, be sure the terms reflect those specifics. While the template is helpful, it isn't legal advice, so consider consulting a professional if you have unique requirements or operate in regions with special regulations. As you edit, use the formatting options to add headings and short paragraphs so customers can scan the page easily. Avoid jargon where possible, and aim for a tone that's professional but friendly. When you're happy with the content, click Publish. Your terms of service will be saved and live on your store. Shopify will surface this policy during checkout in places where customers expect to see it, and many themes include a footer link to your policies automatically. If your theme supports it, the link will appear without any extra work. After publishing, it's a good idea to preview your storefront and walk through a checkout to confirm the terms are visible where you want them. Finally, plan to revisit your terms periodically. As your business evolves, update the page to reflect new products, payment methods, or operational changes. That's it.